In the bustling heart of fin-de-siècle Paris, a movement born of tension and longing for change was about to take the world by storm. This was no ordinary uprising, but a revolution in art and design, the Art Nouveau Movement. Beneath the shadow of the Eiffel Tower, a group of artists and designers, led by the visionary Henri de Toulouse-Lautrec and the enigmatic Émile Gallé, sought to break free from the constraints of the past. They yearned for a new aesthetic that would reflect the rapid industrialization and modernization of the era. The crisis that sparked their rebellion was the stifling embrace of academic art, a style that had dominated the art world for centuries. It was a style that prized realism, symmetry, and classical themes, leaving little room for innovation or personal expression. The artists of the Art Nouveau movement, however, sought to create something entirely new. They drew inspiration from the natural world, embracing organic forms, flowing lines, and intricate patterns. Their work was a celebration of the beauty and complexity of life, a stark contrast to the rigid, sterile academia that came before. Their first major exhibition, held in 1895 at the Galerie Durand Ruel, was a triumph. The public was captivated by the movement's unique blend of beauty and innovation. Yet, the establishment was not as easily won over. Critics derided the movement as frivolous and overly ornate, a mere indulgence in decoration. Undeterred, the artists of Art Nouveau continued to push the boundaries of creativity. They designed everything from posters and jewelry to architectural masterpieces, each piece a testament to their shared vision. The movement reached its zenith in the early 20th century, with architectural wonders like Hector Guimard's Paris metro entrances and Antoni Gaudi's Casa Batlló in Barcelona. However, the First World War brought about a dramatic shift in cultural tastes. The austere, minimalist style of Art Deco rose to prominence, replacing the intricate, organic forms of Art Nouveau. Despite its short-lived reign, the Art Nouveau movement left an indelible mark on the world of art and design. It challenged the status quo, pushing the boundaries of what was possible in art and inspiring a generation of artists to break free from tradition. Its legacy can still be seen today, in everything from the intricate patterns on a piece of Jugendstil jewelry to the sinuous curves of an Art Nouveau-inspired poster. The Art Nouveau movement was more than just a fleeting fashion. It was a testament to the power of creativity and the human spirit's unrelenting quest for change. It serves as a reminder that even in the face of adversity, art can be a powerful force for transformation.